Hey guys, so this is how you're going to check your Cloudflare Ray ID. So step one is you have to understand what the Ray ID is. So it is a unique code that appears at the bottom of an error page when Cloudflare blocks or filters a request. So for example, if your site visitor sees a 403 forbidden or access denied error, you'll see something like Ray ID and then numbers and letters of at the bottom. This ID helps you or Cloudflare identify the exact request that was blocked. So step two is we're going to find it in the firewall events log with this in mind. You cannot search for a Ray ID directly inside the dashboard. Instead, you're going to log into your Cloudflare account and then you're going to select your site and then you're going to head over to the WAF and then this is the firewall event. So you're going to click on that. However, take note that this one is a purchase add-on. Here you will see logs of blocked or challenged requests. If the request was blocked, the Ray ID from the error page will also appear in the log so you can match it. Now, step three, what about managed rules and exceptions? Sometimes you may see the rule name linked to a specific plugin like Yoast, but that doesn't mean you need to remove the plugin. It just means Cloudflare detected a request pattern that looks like a past vulnerability exploit. If a legitimate request is being blocked or a false positive, you would normally create a WAF exception under, again, security, and then here, and then you're just going to head over to managed rules, and then you're going to add an exception. One important thing though is that exceptions can only be added if you're on a paid Cloudflare plan, just like how you can only access a WAF when you are on a paid plan. Free plans get the base managed rule set but do not allow custom exceptions. And that's it. That is how you're going to check Cloudflare Ray ID. If this video was helpful, please don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more videos like this.